Hi guys, this is Hans Kogia from Install-O-Not, and in this video we'll walk through the MIUI operating system from Xiaomi. Xiaomi, as we know, is the leading Chinese smartphone brand which has recently arrived in India with the launch of Mi 3 and Redmi 1S. We are using the Redmi 1S here with the MIUI version 5 running, that is actually based on Android 4.3 Jelly Bean. So MIUI, as we know, is a customized operating system which is actually just a UI layer over the Android Linux kernel. It's a lot more intuitive than the default vanilla and has a lot more personalization features which we shall go through as we proceed in the video. So this is the home screen here, which has app icons and widgets on the same screen. There is no more tapping and going to another application drawer which we are used to, but MIUI has been changing this convention from a long time, since it has been around the Android ROM scenario for the last 2-3 years. So it comes with SwiftKey bundled, that is, it comes with the SwiftKey third-party keyboard pre-installed on the operating system. Then we have the notification drawer, which is pretty much the same as the default notification drawer, but have the more notification toggles which are not at all there in the vanilla ROM. There is a brightness slider here, 3:4 notification grid, which can be customized, and there can be more notification toggles added to the notification menu. There is also a recent menu launcher which can be done using the menu long pressing the menu button, and you can swipe up to remove the applications. Then there are lot more settings in the primary settings menu, that is launcher settings, and there are other device settings which you could observe and explore. The about phone shows here is the proper details of the handset, that is the RAM, the CPU, and the version of the operating system, and the version of MIUI definitely. Next, there are also a lot of other tools which we could use. For example, the calculator, the calendar in the MIUI has been designed to look lot more intuitive than the default calendar application that is available on Android. That comes pre-installed on Android. There is a guest mode here in MIUI itself, which you could use for privacy protection. Other than that, it has different tools. For example, recorder, Mi Cloud, mail updater, clock, FM radio, torch, calculator, compass, and QR scanner. It also has a security application, which is an interface for block list, permission manager, and other security features. For example, virus scan and etc. So it uses the permissions manager to give applications a permission to use it at a time of boot time or not. For example, if you don't want your WhatsApp to automatically execute at a time of boot time, so you might like to disable it, for example, for your auto execution. There is also private messaging feature which shall be used for private messaging if you hide the number in a private messaging mode. The camera app on the MIUI ROM is a lot more different than the default camera application that has been supplied from Google. It has different menu options and camera settings in order to get a beautiful capture. For example, like we got this from the Redmi 1S. There are, as we know, there are different settings for switching between video and camera mode, switching on and off flash, switching to the toggle to switch from the front camera to back camera. For the specifically of the MIUI ROM, we have anti-aliasing mode, a built-in QR scanner in the camera application itself, picture quality. So that's all was in the MIUI overview. Thank you for watching. If you like the video, hit the like button and subscribe for such more videos. This is Hans Gogia signing off. Goodbye.